Hey, Dr. Kevin Skinner here. I want to introduce you to the intimacy repair method. If you're a therapist working with couples impacted by betrayal, infidelity, or sexually compulsive behaviors, you already know how complex this work can be. I've been doing this for 30 years and I'm still learning. But you've likely seen couples who are stuck in cycles of reactivity, partners who struggle to stabilize, and then the repair feels inconsistent, maybe even out of reach for some couples. And that's exactly why I've created the intimacy repair method to introduce to therapists. I've been doing intensives for over 12 years with hundreds of couples. And this is not just another model, it is a structured, assessment driven approach. And what I've done is taken what's worked and what hasn't worked and thrown out what hasn't, and really refined this process so individuals who are coming to therapy with you as a therapist can be given a structured way to approach healing after sexual betrayal. So the assessment is designed to help you identify exactly where couples are stuck and give you a clear step-by-step path to guide them toward real healing and connection. So at the retreat for therapists, here's what you're going to learn. This is going to be immersive training, and I'm going to help you to understand the assessment, to quickly identify breakdowns in safety, trust, emotional connection, empathy, and compassion, to help you stabilize your couples. We're going to talk about how to move from emotional reactivity into regulated compassion. We're going to talk about the structure of this process, of why we do the disclosure impact letter and repair conversations, and how to do them using this model. We're going to talk about how to help couples rebuild trust through these measurable, observable behaviors. As you apply the full intimacy repair method framework in your clinical work, you're going to have more confidence in your work with couples. This is the same approach that I've used with literally hundreds of couples who've come to my office from all over the world. If you're struggling working with couples and you feel like you'd like more information, I would invite you to join me in this training. Now, how is this training different? Most therapists are trained to work with couples or individuals, but this is focused on the betrayal and the healing using an empathic, compassionate approach. There's a clear roadmap. Not guesswork. You're going to get the tools to use immediately in your sessions, and you're going to be able to use it so you can measure progress using the assessments. This is a model that works for both partners, the betrayed and the betraying partner. Now, this is a retreat style experience. We're hosting it in Utah in the fall when the leaves are perfect. So this isn't just about, we're going to be learning by itself. We're going to have an experience up in the mountains. We're going to go side by side riding. So your registration includes lodging, all meals, and a side-by-side mountain experience where we're going to see beautiful Utah in the fall. This is for a small group. If you want to learn how to work with couples and take your couple work with betrayed couples to the next level, you're going to have tools and resources where you're not going to be walking away with cerebral knowledge. You're going to be walking with hands-on experience where you can measure it, you can use it with your clients. I've been doing this for over 12 years in my intensives with couples. I'd love to train you how to do it. I'd love to have you join me. Now, one final thing. If you're thinking, well, I'm coming out there, what about my spouse? Bring your spouse with you, and we'll have other activities for them to do while we're doing the learning. And then when we go on the side-by-side, they can come with you. There will be other activities that they can join you. I hope you'll join me September 16th through 19th, 2026 here in Utah. The leaves are changing colors. Learn the clinical skills, learn the intimacy repair method, and leave with practical tools to help guide you in your work with couple healing and repair.